Best drones for beginners. If you love drones, first you have to learn to fly them. And while learning, you might make a lot of mistakes. So as a beginner, you should choose your first drone carefully. That's why I thought of making this list of the best drones for beginners. So welcome to Tech Levitate. If you're new here, welcome. And consider subscribing to my channel and click that little bell notification below. Number 10. DJI Mini 2. This is one of the best beginner drones available in a tiny package. Because this is so small and light, it's less daunting for beginners than the larger, more expensive, and more powerful DJI models. The advantage of this drone is that you can enjoy DJI's well-known excellent build and image quality in a drone that only weighs 249 grams. This features a folding design that makes it extremely portable, but it's no slouch when it comes to photography and video thanks to a 12MP sensor that can capture photos in both RAW and JPEG format and video up to 4K. While collision avoidance is missing in this entry-level model, this remains incredibly easy to fly and outperforms other beginner models. Number 9. DJI Mavic Air 2. DJI Mavic Air 2 is a lightweight and small model, but packed with much more flight, camera, and safety features. The Air 2's half-inch 12MP sensor allows it to capture photos in RAW and JPEG formats, and video up to 4K at 60 frames per second. This can also capture video in the D-Cine-alike profile for professional color grading, as well as the standard profile for the majority of users. In terms of safety, this has front and rear obstacle sensors. To help with collision avoidance, the Advanced Pilot Assistance System 3.0 can be configured to fly this around objects or brake when detected. There's also GPS positioning to keep the drone in place while hovering so it doesn't drift in the wind. Number 8. DJI Mini 3 Pro. If you want a drone that can fly confidently in complex environments with trees and other obstacles, investing in a beginner model with obstacle detection sensors, such as the DJI Mini 3 Pro, is worthwhile. This drone comes equipped with 3-way obstacle sensors for safer flight and automated navigation around obstacles. This is equipped with a quad-Bayer sensor for 4K 60 video and 48MP or oversampled 12MP still photos. Its extended life battery is a good upgrade that increases flight times to 47 minutes, but makes the drone heavier than 250 grams. Number 7. Parrot Anafi. The Parrot Anafi is a beginner-friendly drone that also includes the features and functionality you'll naturally want as your skills and confidence grow. So while it's not the cheapest beginner drone on the market, it's certainly one of the several models that could last longer. The Anafi is small and lightweight, with a folding design and weighing only 320 grams, with automated flight patterns that make it simple to capture professional-looking videos without the need for complicated manual flying maneuvers. The camera's 21MP sensor and ability to shoot video at up to 4K allow it to take high-quality photos and videos. Number 6. BetaFPV Cetus Pro. FPV drones are well known for allowing pilots to capture the most stunning video footage. However, they're difficult to learn how to fly in manual or acro mode, which allows you to roll, flip, and dive the drone to capture that immersive video. This palm-sized drone is small enough to fly indoors or outdoors and is 45.8 grams with the battery included. With 3 flight modes and 3 speed modes, you can begin slowly and progress through the modes as your skills improve. The Cetus and the VR02 FPV goggles, on the other hand, cannot record video, so this drone is purely educational. It comes with the Cetus Pro kit, a complete beginner's FPV kit that includes everything you need to get started learning how to fly FPV. Number 5. DJI FPV. It may appear strange to include the DJI FPV in a beginner's drone guide because it's quite an advanced model in some ways. This drone is the perfect introduction to notoriously difficult to fly FPV drones. It's a first-person view drone that provides an immersive flying experience, as well as video, with goggles used to view the camera view as you fly. Although 4K video looks great and provides incredibly immersive footage, photo functionality is limited to JPEGs, which aren't of great quality overall. Although safety features are limited, the DJI FPV uses GPS positioning in normal mode and sensors alert you about potential collisions. Number 4. Fimi X8 Mini. If you're looking for a non-DJI drone with similar flight and camera features at a slightly lower price, the Fimi X8 Mini comes the closest. This drone has a 12MP sensor capable of capturing RAW and JPEG photos and 4K video at up to 30 FPS. Video can also be captured in F-Log for professional color grading, and the 3-axis gimbal helps to ensure smooth video footage. With smart tracking modes, flight path planning, time-lapse, panoramic photos, and live streaming, this has many of the features you'll want as your flying skills improve. GPS, GLONASS, and Baidu provide GPS positioning for holding position and initiating return to home, but no collision avoidance is available. Number 3. DJI Ryze Tello. DJI's Ryze Tello is essentially a toy drone designed for children. However, its low cost and small size make it an ideal entry point for beginners who want to become familiar with basic drone controls before upgrading to a more expensive model. The small size, low weight of 80 grams, and included propeller guards make it a reasonably safe indoor drone to fly. This comes with a 5MP camera producing JPEGs and 720p video, so it's not for more demanding users. The flight distance is limited to 100 meters. In terms of control, the most common method is to use the on-screen controls in the smartphone app. It can even flip in midair, take off from the palm of your hand, and be programmed using Scratch. Number 2. Stone HS710. The Stone HS710 ultralight 4K GPS drone is an intriguing model that offers a mix of basic and advanced features and functionality at an affordable price. So it's not a drone for shooting more advanced photos and videos, but it's a great option for learning how to fly drones without spending a lot of money. Despite the ability to shoot 4K video, the camera functionality is basic, but it's more than adequate at the start of your drone flying journey. The GPS and return to home buttons are the only safety features. There's also optical flow positioning, which is said to work best indoors with the drone less than 3 meters away. Number 1. Potensic T25. The Potensic T25 is a basic drone weighing less than 250 grams. It's ideal for learning how to fly drones and how their controls work, but its limited camera quality and functionality make it a poor choice for shooting photos and videos. However, given the low price, it remains an affordable option for those looking to get started with flying drones. This camera sits between 2 landing stands and it cannot be folded for transportation. But thanks to GPS positioning, the drone will hover in place, allowing you to take advantage of features such as object tracking and return to home. The camera's functionality is limited, and as there's no stabilization, videos aren't smooth.